Happy Monday, guys. This is Michaela at Airstream DFW. We're in the showroom again today on a beautiful March afternoon. It is Texas Rangers opening week here for us here in Texas. I won't be in the showroom on Thursday. I will be at the game watching my Rangers take that first pitch of the season. But you guys can come in and visit the showroom. Today, I'm going to be showing you a 2025 trade wind. I think if you go back on the Airstream pages, you'll be able to see a 2024. This one's a little bit different because it has a queen bed. So for you guys that have been waiting to see what a 25 queen bed layout looks at, this is gonna be a good video for y'all to walk through. Also, I know last week that I hinted around about an exciting thing we're gonna do for spring here in the showroom. So be on the lookout for that announcement. It's going to be starting April 1st, so just next week. So I'm hoping to have that announcement out sometime this week, first of next week. But we're talking big discount, big money for you guys. So please subscribe. Go follow me on TikTok. It's Airstream Mick, M-I-C, Airstream Mick. Follow my Facebook, my Instagram. Follow our Facebook, our Instagram, Airstream DFW, so you can get that announcement. Because if y'all are planning on coming in the showroom and buying something, you are going to get a big discount if you participate in this. So be on the lookout for that. But let's do this trailer. Let's look around it. I know y'all are familiar with this new trade wind. They just released it in 2024. I am so surprised, you guys, at how much y'all have loved this trailer. Like, I think I've already sold 8 of them. Ton of people are really interested in boondocking and getting off the grid and having enough solar and lithium to run their ACs. And this is the trailer you want if that is your goal. So starting up at the front, this is a little different up here. There's a battery box just like on all Airstream trailers, but this battery box is empty. And it's empty because inside we've got 810 amp hours of battery. So a ton of battery power on this trailer. Up on the roof, you're gonna have over 600 watts of solar. So a ton of solar powering those batteries. So you're gonna be able to run a 30 amp charge on this trailer. Of course, you've got your propane tanks here, 2 20-pound tanks. These guys are gonna run your stovetop, your furnace, and your water heater. We'll probably circle around so you guys can see it, but this is a little different water heater than some of the others. Now, a Globetrotter 27 also has this same recirculating water heater. It's a Suburban water heater, you guys. Okay, so a Suburban recirculating water heater. And what that's gonna mean when you're boondocking is you're gonna get not only tankless, but instant hot water. So it's holding, I think, like 0.5 gallons of water that's gonna be hot. So you're not just wasting water running it into the gray tank while it heats up. So if you're a boondocker and you're running off your fresh tank, that is so, so important. So look up that water heater, Suburban recirculating water heater. You can get some more information online about that. Of course, we've got our stone guards, our solar guards, and this one has our roadside awning. So I've got this one out. You can see it's a little shorter, pretty nice neutral gray color on this trade wind. Down below, outdoor shower, hot and cold water, we know. Place to fill up your fresh water tank. City inlet, so if you are camped at a park and they have water, you can plug up here. Black tank flush as well. We've got some extra power on this side. If you guys follow me on Facebook, you might see me be running my mouth on social media, but I just actually went and asked an Airstream forum for some ideas to keep in our parts department, and these plugs reminded me. The number 3 thing you guys asked for was flamingo lights. Flamingo lights. I mean, whatever, but yeah, I'm gonna get flamingo lights for our parks, okay? I'll do it, you guys want it. Write down in the comments if there's anything else you guys wanna add to the list. Okay, back to my trade wind. This is a 30 amp service. We've got the smart plug down below. If I don't break a nail, okay. You've got your Ethernet and a coax. This trailer is pre-wired for Starlink satellite internet here, so you'll be able to hook that up. Furnace on the outside. And then we're ordering all of our trade winds with the hatch. I just had my first customer ask for a trade wind without a hatch. I love it. It's so open and pretty. You've got a screen to keep the bugs out. Tell me below, would you do with or without the hatch? Maybe I should order some without the hatch. I like it. I think it's pretty. So nice if you're up against a lake and you can look to the outside. Okay, so around to the front, back up here to the front. The trade wind is going to have a big patio awning, the same pretty neutral gray color. And then behind me, check out the tires. You've got bigger wheels and tires, 16-inch wheels, and a 3-inch lift kit. You guys can add a 3-inch lift kit onto any Airstream. Did you know that? Our service department will do it. So if you don't love the trade wind, or you would prefer a power awning from a Globetrotter or power awning from an International, we can still add this 3-inch lift kit to any Airstream. Okay, on to the inside. Follow me. Straight inside, you do have some storage. You guys, you lose a little storage compared to a 25-foot Flying Cloud, International, or Globetrotter on the trade wind, because your batteries are stored up underneath here. So a ton of components, it's taking some room, but there's still some room for a small trash can. This color is the terracotta. It looks very warm in this lighting. I'll have to watch myself after to see how it looks. Sometimes it just films a little bit different color orange in different lights. It's giving UT. It's giving University of Texas. So if you like that, I love it too. It's beautiful. Big windows here, Vista windows above with blackout shades on the top. This couch, just like under the sink, is a little different from some of the other 25 foots. You've got your battery disconnect, your inverter, and some venting. So you lose that pull-out couch that you're gonna get in another 25 foot. So you are sleeping 2 in the back on the king size bed, 2 on the dinette in the front, and 1 here. So short, 1 sleeping space. If you're a family, you're still gonna fit, but just keep that in mind when you're comparing models, some of these differences as you go through. Now, onto the kitchen. This is gonna look really familiar to you guys if you've seen a 25 foot before. You've got some nice cabinet space up top, pretty countertops. This is a laminate countertop, so a little different. More similar to a Flying Cloud in that kind of finishes than an International or a Globetrotter. Got some really good storage here, big nice drawers, convection microwave, and then of course your pantry as well. So nice kitchen space here on a 25 foot. And the trade wind, as of now, and who knows what's gonna happen coming down the road, a trade wind is offered in a 23 foot with a queen bed or twin bed option, or 25 foot. There is no 27 foot in the trade wind. As of now, this battery, big lithium battery package, will run very comfortably a 30 amp service. What a 30 amp service means is 1 AC, right? So when you get up to a 27 foot, and especially here in Texas, you guys that are watching me from Alaska, y'all can tune this part out. Y'all really need 2 ACs in a 27 foot. So I think that's why Airstream's limiting this to a 25. Gonna feel really comfortable with a 30 amp and 1 AC. Nice big fridge. Like you guys know, all electric fridge, this is gonna run off the battery power or electric. Some storage above. And then we've got 1 closet on this side. Now they did give us a little mirror in this closet, so that's nice. So we've got some hanging space there. And then of course the shower is going to be very similar to what you guys are used to in a 25-foot, so pretty familiar size shower there, nice and roomy across the hall from the bathroom. Now, on this side is your bathroom. Let me open the door so I don't knock Zach out so he can see in this bathroom. Same thing, nice big medicine cabinet up on the top, shelving down underneath, and a nice porcelain toilet as well there. And you can see that the Suburban water controls, or Suburban water heater controls, that was a tongue twister, are in that bathroom. Now, let me get on this side so Zach can see this whole bedroom. So this is your queen setup. I know y'all have seen me do so many twin size. So, you know, those twins are going to run north to south. A queen is going to have this east to west. So you've got cabinet space up here. We love storage. We need the storage. As much storage as we can get, right? Stack stuff up here. But whoever shorter needs to be on this side. Okay, so pretty easy to make the bed because you've got this walkway here with a nice little nightstand, plug, USBs over on this side, but it is tight to get around there. Let me put away my pillow. Now, this bed will lift up, so you do have some storage under here. Nice boxes, places for your shoes, blankets, towels. So what you lose in outdoor storage, you kind of gain under this bed. Then on this side of the bed, instead of a nightstand, you have a hanging closet with some extra drawers, as well as a TV back here. So if you like the queen, it's up to you. It doesn't cost one more whether you choose a queen or a twin. It's completely a preference. I'd recommend just coming in the showroom, checking both out, laying on both the beds, and seeing what feels more comfortable to you. So here's the Trade Wind. Go back a few videos. I think Chris, one of our service techs, did a full service walkthrough. So you can see where the inverter is, how the batteries work. If you have any questions about this battery system, call me up here. I'm really good at these solar and lithium packages. I'm happy to just like answer your questions. You can also add solar and lithium to any other model as well. We just need to talk about how you want to use your Airstream. Let's figure out how you want to camp in it, and then we can solve those problems from there. Okay, reminder, follow and subscribe down below. Go follow me on all my socials, Airstream Mick, MIC, and Airstream with DFW. Watch out for our announcement. There's a big Easter treat coming you guys' way. We will talk to you soon. Have so much fun. Talk to you later. Bye.